start again. It's a redskin.
Hey you guys, what's up? It's your girl Alicia Jones. For all the deets on these Tiana Passion twists from Toyotress Hair, y'all just keep on watching. Hello everyone, so in today's video we are going to be installing Tiana Passion twist from Toyotress Hair. Each twist is 100% handmade. I got the hair in 10 inches in the color OT30. Also got 8 packs. In each pack is 12 twists. So the color is very pretty. I like to do this braid pattern. It just works easier for me and it looks a little bit more natural. So you guys, what I do is just insert the needle under the hair, loop the hair on the crochet needle, pull it through, and I just knot it just one time though. So I repeat this process, and 12 twists in a pack was more than enough for a full install. The hair, I didn't leave any left over. I used all of it. And the hair is so soft. It smells really nice. And it's very easy to install. So that was a plus. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I will have the info to the hair linked below. And thank you guys for watching. I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.